A circle in AutoCAD isn't just a curved line. It's more like a tameable dragon. Let's learn how to control it. Hey everyone, I'm Seyedi, and we're back with one of the coolest drawing tools in AutoCAD. If you made peace with your saving problems in the last episode, today you're meeting a whole new creature, the circle. A circle in AutoCAD isn't just a curved shape. It's a dragon you have to tame. Give it the wrong command and it'll throw you into the desert of coordinates. Give it the right instructions and it'll create masterpieces. Let's jump straight into it. The circle command is the king of curved geometry in AutoCAD. You can draw circles in several different ways. You can click Draw, Circle, or if you want to look like a pro, just type C and press Enter. AutoCAD asks, specify center point. That means pick the center. Then it says, specify radius. You can drag with the mouse or type an exact value. And that's it. Your first circle is born. AutoCAD doesn't see the circle as something simple. You've got 6 different methods to draw it. 1. Center radius. 2. Center diameter. 3. 2-point circle. 4. 3-point circle. 5. Tan radius. 6. Tan. The first method, center radius. This is the method that saves you 99% of the time. Click anywhere. Type radius 20, press Enter. Done. The second method, center diameter. If you know the diameter instead, this one's your friend. Center, diameter, 40. Enter. The third method, 2-point circle. When you don't know the center and only have 2 points, AutoCAD draws the circle right between them. The fourth method is 3-point circle. You have 3 points, but no center or radius. AutoCAD figures out the perfect circle on its own. The fifth method, tan radius. This one's the philosopher of the circle world. It's perfect when you're stuck between 2 lines and need a tangent circle. Select 2 lines, give radius, circle appears. The sixth method, tan. This command proves AutoCAD is a genius. Select 3 tangent objects. AutoCAD creates a perfect circle out of nothing. Here, you can clearly see the difference between a tangent and a point. So now we've seen that there are 6 methods for drawing a circle. 1. Center radius. 2. Center diameter. 3. 2-point circle. 4. 3-point circle. 5. Tangent, tangent, radius. And 6. Tangent, tangent, tangent. Now, no matter what shape your circle is, you can draw it. Now let's go for an easy but useful exercise. To draw this shape, we start from the part where we have full information, and we leave the parts without dimensions for the last step. We start from the top line. Activate the line command. Select the starting point. Length 35. Press Tab. Angle 0. Next line. Length 30. Angle 90. Next line. Length 30. Angle 180. Try positive and negative angles and test the directions. Next line, length 24, angle 135. Finally, for the line without a dimension or angle, use the close option and the shape will be completed. Check the dimensions. Everything is correct. Let's continue drawing. For now, since we are not familiar with all commands, we use this method. We determine the angle of the line without a dimension. We separate the dimensions, 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters. The center of the circle is now defined. Activate the circle command. Use the radius method. Select the center, enter radius 5. Done! Drawing is complete. Let's move to the second exercise. With the commands we know so far, we can easily draw only this part of the exercise, so let's go for it. We start drawing from the larger circle to the smaller one. Activate the circle command. Since we have the diameter values in the image, we draw this using the center diameter method. Select the center, then enter the diameter, 78. Next circle. Same center, diameter 40. Next circle, same center, diameter 26. Now let's draw the smaller circles. Again, since we don't have all the commands yet, we use guiding lines. We find the midpoint between the two circles to determine the centers of the new circles. Divide the distance between the two circles by 2. This gives us the circle centers. After locating the centers, activate circle, diameter, click on the center, and enter 10. Draw the remaining circles in the same way. And that's it. Since we don't have the erase command yet, use this eraser to remove the extra lines. Check the dimensions. Everything is correct. That completes exercise 2. Your experience with circles stays at 0 as long as you only work like this. Until the next part, draw several different circles and play with them. If you want more practice, download the exercise files from the Telegram channel and draw them. Circles look scary from a distance, but up close, they are precise and elegant. This contrast is what makes geometry fun. So friends, that was part 4. From today, drawing circles should feel like a cold soda on a hot summer day. Easy and refreshing. In the next episode, we'll go to arcs and polygons and dive into cooler geometric shapes. So if you want your skills to level up from no circles to Nocarius Maximus, follow the channel and don't miss part 5. See ya!